Today morning I came here to leave my car for general checkup. First I was assigned to Mr. Bhupati. He welcomed me very kindly. After welcoming, he went for the analysis of the vehicle. After the analysis of vehicle, I was waited in the launch, and then Mr. Kumar sir came and requested and asked me to come with him for the explanation of the workplace. And then Kumar sir has been explained all the sectors in the workplace. For example, body shop with painting, and then the under chases, etc. He has been explained, and then the water service area also he showed and explored me a lot of more. I said this is my first experience to visit over this workplace, because none of the companies they won't allow our visitors inside the workplace. So I would thank Mr. Kumar sir for giving this opportunity to explore the workplace.
Thank you, sir.
Also Mr. Bhupati also has said he promised with the time limit, and then today I'm visiting my car at the same time itself, and then the servicing and then the addressing of the people is so good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.